Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to set up your REALME 11 Pro Plus without a Google account. Let's begin! There is still way much thing to do before we actually get into the Google account part, so let's just continue. I'm going to stay with my English language and I'm going to stay with United States as my region. I will now accept some legal information, and now we have to connect Wi-Fi in the network. I know that there is a skip button and actually doesn't do anything, like it will just prompt you. Actually, you cannot click that. No idea why they have skip button, but whatever. I will choose this network and now I want to input passwords to it. Of course, if you are struggling with actually finding the password, you can always find it usually in next to the router or below the router as some form of sticker. Let's hit save, and if the password is correct, we're now connected to Wi-Fi. Congratulations! Let's hit next, and now with the Wi-Fi on, we want to get our phone ready, and this process may take a few minutes. For some people it might take longer, for some people it might take shorter. From my understanding, it's usually related to your network strength, so just be patient and wait for something to happen on your screen. We now have the ability to copy apps and data, incredibly useful if you're coming from an older device, but I'm not going to do that. Once again, if you have an older device, I would strongly advise you to just do that. And now it's very important that we must draw our lock screen pattern, unless if you have recently rebooted your phone and factory reset it before because you didn't remember it. We can go into this X icon and then we have to add a Google account, but once again I'm not going to bother with that. If you want to skip this double checkout, we have full tutorials on that. For now I will just input my password as normally, and now we have the ability to log in into our Google account. All you want to do is simply press skip. Let's press skip once again, and now we can go into our normal unlock method. I'm going to skip this since it doesn't matter. We still have Google services, which is kind of interesting, but yeah, we can't really get rid of that entirely. But I guess if you want, you can disable all of that. So we can now choose our browser and search engine. I'm going to go with a very basic Firefox and Brave setup, but of course you can choose whatever you want. And now we can review additional apps. You will see that this is basically bloatware. This is useless garbage. You don't want it on your phone. It won't add anything. Half of these games are bad and they are filled with ads. Just uncheck every single application and then hit OK for your own good. We are now getting our phone ready, and after a moment we should do recommended services. We have few services that are strictly REALME related. If you want to, you can read them for yourself, and you can enable or disable them as you please. Once again, whatever floats your boat, whatever you want to achieve is yours, but I'm just going to agree. We can now choose the navigation. I'm going to stay with gestures, and finally we can go with get started. So let's click to get started. And here we have something weird. This is basically another attempt of you downloading useless bloatware. You will see that this is not actually any application, it's just the REALME itself. Now I will advise you to skip that entirely because it won't really help you. And yeah, we are now connected to our we have now set up system, but without a Google account. Of course, if you want to, you can technically add it later, but once again, that's all. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye!